So so here I'm going to show you the differences. Right here we have the solar that was installed and not cleaned over a certain amount of time, so it got dirt and bird poop. It has like these little vein looking things. I think it was water that actually ran through here, maybe when it was raining or something. Because you can see where this section here, before I get ahead of myself, this section here was rinsed. The water was splashed from this side, this section that way, and that's how you can see the little water spots that made that pattern that way. So that just tells me that those are from something else, like water or something, or the mildew that sets at night and melts in the morning. I don't know if you could tell, but this is the panel that I just cleaned right now. I rinsed it and wet it, and as you can see, this one looks darker than that one. So the dark colors attract the sun. That's why they say to wear white and not to wear black, because the white reflects off the light and doesn't absorb it, as opposed to the black. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you guys the difference. As a homeowner or someone that might own solar panels, yeah, you could, just rinse them. They don't look that bad, but if you clean them, they look a little bit darker in color. And you can see, like right here, see this one now, you can see the difference right there. And then of course, rinsing is better than not rinsing at all. So I think if you don't want to spend money getting them cleaned, at least rinse them, hose them down or something. So that's just an alternative. And these are some that I clean right now too.